The Indian Embassy shared the standard operating procedure SOPs for India bound passengers who want to travel between India and Japan under the air bubble agreements. India and Japan are now a part of air bubble system wherein registration of passengers with the Indian Embassy will no longer be required. Air bubble systems are temporary arrangements between two countries aimed at restarting commercial passenger services when regular international flights are suspended as a result of the COVID 19 pandemic. The embassy also shared the standard operating procedures SOPs for India bound passengers who want to travel between India and Japan under the air bubble arrangements. Here are the SOPs shared by the Embassy of India. Number 1. Passengers no longer need to register themselves with the Embassy of India in Tokyo because of the air bubble system. Number 2. They can make their bookings directly with the concerned airlines. Number 3. No objections from the embassy to travel by the air bubble flights to India is also not required. Number 4. Air Suvidha registration has been recommended even though filling and submission of the consent letter is no longer required for passengers traveling to Delhi. Number 5. Passengers may register for Air Suvidha at the registration before check-in. Number 6. As per the rules by the Indian government, 7 days of institutional quarantine is mandatory at the first port of landing. Number 7. If a passenger is seeking exemption from quarantine, an RT-PCR test should have been conducted within 96 hours prior to the undertaking the journey, according to the SOPs. Number 8. The result of the test should be uploaded on Air Suvidha portal 72 hours before flying. Number 9. Passengers need to carry the original test report along and show them to health officials upon arriving at the first port of entry. Number 10. If travelers want an exemption from the 7-day institutional quarantine on specific ground, they can go to the website related to the consent.